Hi everyone, today we will be learning how we can convert an portrait image to landscape using pixoate.com. So we have opened the landscape to portrait converter at pixoate.com. So we will select the image that we want to convert. Let's say we want to convert this particular image. We have selected. So it has uploaded this image. So there are a lot of value options, like you can select from whether you want to whatever the size, you want landscape, you want portrait, you can like go vice versa depending on the image you are having. So let's say I want to convert this to a portrait image, and I can select the blur intensity. I can also do edge softening depending on the need. I can either select the color that I want to select, I can do that, or I can select the gradients, I can select the designs we already have. So let's load up those designs. The designs are loaded, so you can select from here, like in case you want this to be, let's say you want this, like you can, maybe you want to upload a photo, or you want to remove this background. Actually you just want to keep the main things. So what you can do, you can click on remove background, so it will remove the background, and then you can maybe select other designs according to your need, or you can also upload your own background image depending on the design you want to like or you want to create. So let's wait for a while. So you can see it has removed the background image. Now we can use some design, like this one, depending on whatever you like. So you can, according to your need, you can create. Now you can convert the size according to, because the image is now in background. So this way you can also upload your own background depending on